Hello viewers, welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. I would like to make an announcement about why my videos are not being uploaded for the past more than a month. I will tell you right now. The reason is one Sunday morning when I woke up from my bed and I had a shoulder pain on my right side, and I was thought that it's because of gas pain or something like that, but eventually it was not. It was something to do related to the muscle, and I am been suffering till now. I have already gone for all the tests and all, and I'm waiting for the results from my doctor, and due to this I'm not able to create any content or any videos, and I will be making videos very soon, and I have missed out a lot of celebrations, that is especially for Assumption Feast and past Krishna Jayanti or Krishna Jamashtami, and also upcoming with the Mother Mary's birthday, and also the Ganesh Chaturthi. I am not able to make any videos till now, but soon I will be making some videos. So thank you for your patience and just hang on there. And I'm still replying to all messages. It is pretty hard for me to sleep in the night as well, though the sufferings are not that bad. Right now I'm on painkillers, strong painkillers, and it is pretty much a little hard to create videos or uplift something for the moment, and this is why I'm making this short announcement, that you will understand why I am too silent in my channel. I am not a quiet person. I'm always on the move, and suddenly becoming quiet, it always puts a question mark to everyone. So I hope everyone is doing well with the COVID situation and with the restrictions everywhere and all. And I encourage you to look up for the old videos. Please do try them, and also eat healthy and stay healthy. I will be back very soon once my proper treatment gets started. Thank you very much and see you soon. Bye bye for now. Before I leave, I would like to encourage everyone that have subscribed, and also for new people who has joined my channel. I thank you very much, and there are some points that I need to address. When somebody comments on negative comments, I may not reply. I have been replying it with a humble heart, but from now on it is getting over my limits, and I'm being called by different names, which I'm not happy about it. And for this, if I see any negative comments on my channel, I would not respond. So you have your message. And also those, if you are thinking of commenting on something negatively, please find another channel, not on my channel. Thank you very much, and see you soon, and stay healthy. Bye bye.